Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of b if we have b minus 3 divided by 3 whole square is equals to 1, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So in the first method, we need to break this square sign and we write this square separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes here b minus 3 whole square divided by 3 square is equals to 1. And now you see here this 3 square is divided by left hand side, so when we move it into the right hand side it is multiplied by 1. So after moving this into the right hand side, it will becomes b minus 3 square is equals to this 3 square multiplied by 1 becomes here 3 square. So in the next step here we have many ways to solve further this problem. So here I can just use the square root technique to find the roots of this equation. So here in this method we need to take square root on both of the sides. So when we will take square root on both of the sides, it will be written as in this form. These two and this square root are gone, and we will get here b minus 3 is equals to this 2 and this square root are also gone, and we get here 3. Also, you know about that when we apply square root sign on both of the sides, we will write here plus minus sign on any one of the side. So we write here plus minus sign into the right hand side. Further, we break our right hand side, and here we write the positive value, and in this side we will be verify negative value, it is minus 3. And further in the next step from here, in order to find the value of b, we need to move this minus 3 to the right hand side, and we will get here b is equals to 3 plus 3. So here we easily get the value of b is equals to 3 plus 3 becomes here 6. So this is the first root of the given equation which we get here, and now from here we need to move this minus 3 to the right hand side, and it will becomes this minus 3 becomes plus 3. This is positive and negative terms are gone, and we will get here our b is equals to 0. So this is the second root of the given equation. So from first method we will get here these are the two roots of the given equation, and in the next steps we need to verify that is both of these two roots are solution or both of these two roots are extraneous root. For this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is b minus 3 divided by 3 whole square is equals to 1. This is the our given question statement, and in this side we will be verify b is equals to 6, and in this side we will be verify b is equals to 0. So here in order to verify this value of b, we substitute b is equal to 6 into the left hand side of this equation, and after substituting this value here it will become 6 minus 3 divided by 3 whole square is equals to 1. And further in the next step we have this is 6 minus 3 becomes here 3 divided by 3 whole square is equals to 1, and we know about that this 3 is cancelled out by this 3, and we get here 1 square is equals to 1, and we know that 1 square becomes 1 is equals to 1. So this shows that both of the sides are equal when we choose b is equals to 6. This means that b is equals to 6 is satisfied our given question statement. So that here further we need to verify the second value of b. So we substitute b is equals to 0 into the left hand side, and it will becomes 0 minus 3 divided by 3 whole square is equals to 1, and 0 minus 3 becomes minus 3 divided by 3 whole square is equals to 1. So this 3 is cancelled out by this 3, and we get here minus 1 square is equals to 1, and we know that minus 1 square is equals to plus 1 equals plus 1. So this means that the second value of b is equals to 0 is also satisfied over this given question statement. So it means that the solution set of this question is that we have 0 and 6, both of these two roots are solution set of the given question. And now here in the next step we again solve this problem for a second method, and in second method we need to copy down given question statement here. So the given question statement is b minus 3 divided by 3 whole square is equals to 1. This is our given question statement, and in this method we will just give you another different approach to find the roots of this equation. So here our first step is same on both of these two methods, and now here first we need to break this square sign and we write separately this square sign on both of these terms. It will becomes b minus 3 whole square divided by 3 square is equals to 1. And in the next step here we need to move this 3 square to the right hand side, and it will becomes b minus 3 whole square is equals to 3 square. And further in the next step we move this 3 square into the left hand side, and it will becomes b minus 3 whole square minus 3 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step you see here the base of this term is our a, and the base of this term is our b, and here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So according to this formula here we write our above equation as in this form. So the first factor is a minus b, the value of a is b minus 3, and plus the value of b is 3 into a plus b. The value of b is the value of a is b minus 3 plus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we need more simplifications, and now you see here this positive 3 and negative 3 are gone, and we will get here b times of this is here we have little mistake in the first method. This is our negative sign. Okay, so it means that these are not cancelled out by each other. We just add minus 3 and minus 3. Okay, so when you add these two minus 3 we will get here b minus 6, and in this case these two are cancelled out by each other and we get b is equals to 0. And further we divide this into the two cases. The first case is we write b minus 6 is equals to 0. The second case is we write b is equals to 0. So from here we get the value of b is equals to 6. This is the first root, and from here we get the value of b is equals to 0. This is the second root. And now you see here from both of these two methods we will get here the same values of b. In the first method we already see that both of these two values are satisfied our given question statement. So it means that the solution set of this question is that 0 and 6. So you see here from both of these methods we will get here the same solution set, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.